वी ब्लॉग में आपसे स्वागत है। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं डिकम्पोजिशन। भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ये भी पीजीटी एग्जाम के लिए। टेक ए स्मॉल क्वांटिटी ऑफ फेरस सल्फेट क्रिस्टल FeSO4.7H2 in a dry boiling tube are healthy in water molecules and form white colored crystals of anhydrous ferrous sulfate FeSO4. On further heating, anhydrous ferrous sulfate decomposes to form dark brown color ferric oxide, Fe2O3 sulfur dioxide SO2 and sulfur trioxide SO3 gases. The gas emitted has the color of burning sulfur. In this reaction, is a single reactant FeSO4 decomposes to form a different products F2O3, SO2 and SO3. So the reaction is decomposition. Aim to determine the enthalpy of neutralization of a strong acid with a strong base. Dice ml beaker 1 mHCl using a measure cylinder. Place HCl calorimeter. Measure the initial temperature T1 equal to 0.100 ml. NOS calorimeter. Measure the initial temperature 200 into S into multiply T or minus T2 into 4.18 upon 1.0 into 1000 upon 100 joule. Heat exchanger network synthesis. Many streams need heating or cooling utilities like hot air, hot oil, steam for heating utilities like air, water, chilled water, refrigerator. Cooling efforts to be made for reducing the use of utilities. This can be done by heat integration. Heat integration implies a heat exchange between the hot and cold streams. This reduces the use of utilities. However, this increases the number of heat exchange synthesis means designing a network so that using minimum number of heat exchange, the use of utilities can also be minimized. There are different techniques of synthesis of heat. The pinch technique is very widely used. Systematic representation of heat exchanger beaker scheme C1, C2, C3, H1, H2, H3. Minimum number of heat exchange limit n-1 number of process streams n1 number of utilities and to pinch technique. Logic based on the first and the second law of thermodynamics. Heat of reaction, enthalpy of reaction, energy released, exothermic energy absorbed, endothermic starting material. देखिए ग्राफ बना टाइम और एनर्जी टाइम फाइनल प्रोडक्ट डेल्टा HR kJ per upon mole. एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी जूल थॉमसन को म्यू जे टी इक्वल टू माइनस डेल एच अपॉन डेल पी CP इक्वल टू DT अपॉन DP. एच कांस्टेंट है. H इज स्टेट फंक्शन. H इक्वल टू फंक्शन ऑफ T एंड P. डेल एच और डेल एच अपॉन DT एट P DT प्लस डेल एच अपॉन DP एट TP. जूल थॉमसन कोएफिशिएंट इज एन एंथैल्पिक process that is dH equal to 0 del H upon dt. I constant P dt plus dH upon del V at T dP minus del H upon dP at T dP equal to minus del H upon del H upon del dP at dt. We know that Cp equal to dH upon dt at P. dH upon dP at T equal to dP equal to Cp dt. C minus dH upon dP at T equal to Cp dt upon dH dP into H the constant H minus del H upon del P H constant T upon Cp equal to del T upon del P H constant H. Then del H upon del P H upon Cp equal to measure T. Work done in thermal reversible expansion of an ideal gasification. dW equal to F dx, F equal to P dW equal to P dx, dW equal to P dV. Total, therefore total work done in experiment from V1 to V2 del W equal to minus V1 into V2 P dV. PV equal to nRT, P equal to nRT upon B, W equal to V1 upon B2 nRT upon V dV. तो nRT V1 से B2 dV upon B nRT equal to log V2 minus log nRT ln B2 upon B1. W equal to 2.303 nRT log V2 upon B1 P1 V2. Applications of first law thermodynamics. Delta Q internal energy, delta U W equal to work system working substance. Delta Q equal to delta U plus delta W. Any one of the three terms of equation is 0. Any one of the solute variables are held constant. 0. The first law of thermodynamics. First law energy neither creates nor destroys. Second law entropy is quite difficult to understand, but we cannot most easily describe entropy as a disorder and a second state. The sum of the entropy type of system, and it is always increasing. Entropy of universe is always increasing. Third, a perfectly crystalline solid at absolute zero has an entropy to zero. Entropy is measured in joule per Kelvin. Note that entropy is not a Siemens joule per upon Kelvin. Gives free tells us about the spontaneity of a process. Delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S negative spontaneous NMR equal plane magnetic resonance. The same sample and tube CRT display radio frequency generator detector and amplifier nucleus for only rotate NMR inactive even number of protons and neutrons both overall spin of nucleus equal to zero nucleus spin equal to zero. Dipole moment is a measure the net quality of a molecule equal to Q into D. Miller indices the plane which passes through crystal lattice and intersect lattice point is called lattice plane. Find the intercept made by the plane x in x, y, and z axis respectively. Here x is equal to intercept equal to infinite, y intercept to 1, intercept equal to infinity, reciprocal of x intercept, y intercept, z intercept, the Miller intercept Carnot fraction. Gas pressure from kinetic energy number of molecule gas PV is equal to 1 by 3 and square हमें RMS minus speed P pressure volume is equal to mass of the molecule P is equal to minus speed delta P equal to minus mu minus mu delta P is equal to 2 mu force equal to change in momentum of one minus 2 mu upon T. Newton third life reaction has an equal and but opposite reaction for the kinetic theory of kinetic theory of gases. First theoretical attempt to explain the behavior of gases. All the general properties of gases explained clear and various gas law were based on the experimental fact in order to explain the observed property of gases. A model are proposed which consider the molecular nature as well as kinetic nature of gases known as kinetic gas model. Kinetic theory was first proposed by Bernoulli and 38 and later extended by Clausius, Maxwell, Boltzmann, van der Waals forces and Jeans postulate all gases are made up of large number of extremely small particles are called molecules. The molecules of a given gas are identical in size and mass. The molecules gas are separated from each other by a large distance so that the force of attraction or repulsion between them are negligible. The force of gravitation on the molecule is also negligible. The molecules move continuously in different directions with different velocity. The peak exerted on the walls is due to the bombardment of the molecule on the base. On the walls of a containing vessel, the molecules are supplied to be perfectly elastic hard space so that no energy loss and during collision the energy may never however be transferred due to collision molecules possess different velocity and hence different kinetic energy. The average kinetic energy various postulated mathematical equation has been derived known as kinetic gas equation derivation. Consider a certain amount of gas and molecule enclosed in a cubical box at particular temperature T. Suppose the length of box equal to 1 centimeter, number of gas molecules equal to n, mass of each molecule equal to m. Kinetic gas equation velocity can resolve into three mutually perpendicular components Vx, Vy, Z, V square, Vx square plus Vy square. Consider the motion of the molecule due to the component Vx vary. Only it will strike opposite forces A and B at the right angle to x axis. The momentum of molecule before striking A is equal to B. At the collision in elastic molecules will return back with the same velocity. The momentum of molecule after striking force A due to component minus mb is equal to 2mvx. For net collisions on phase A, the molecule has to travel from phase A to B and by then back from B to A. It has to travel a distance of L plus L to L centimeter distance traveled by molecule per collision on phase A equal to 2L. So total number of collisions on phase A in 1 second equal to Vs of 1 to L. Change of momentum of molecule due to the collision and with phase A per second equal to molecule moved per collision into number of collisions per second 2mvx vx upon 2L mbx square upon L. Similarly, change in momentum due to collision with phase B per second equal to mbx square upon L. Total change in momentum equal to mb 2mbx square upon L plus 2mby square upon L plus 2mbz square upon 2m by L equal to vx square by z square Bz square 2mv square upon L v2m by L by equal v1 square plus v2 square plus v3 dot dot vn square 2mn upon L v1 plus v2 square plus v3 square plus dot vn square 2mn u square upon L equal to force upon area to equal to 2mn upon L u square into 1 by 6 L square equal to 1 by 3 mn u square upon b p v equal to 1 by 3 mn u square. This is known as kinetic gas equation. The average kinetic energy of molecular temperature T is equal to half mu square. Total energy of gas containing molecule half n molecule is equal to 1 by 2 mu square. Kinetic gas equation P is equal to 1 by 3 mn square u 2 by 3 into 1 by 3 mn u square equal to 2 by 3 kinetic. Comparing with ideal gas equation RT is equal to 2 by 3 K is equal to 3 by 2 RT. Average kinetic energy per molecule equal to 3 by 2 R upon n not at T by 2 KT. Nuclear chemistry. Nuclear fission, the process in which a base nucleus is split into two smaller nuclei, releasing large amount of energy. Nuclear fusion is the process in which two smaller nuclei combine to form one larger nucleus, releasing large amount of energy. 1 Bu 90 to 235 plus 1 N 0 140 upon 56 Pa plus 36 plus 3 1 0. Nuclear fission. Nuclear reaction involve a change in the mass from reactant to product. This mass is converted into energy. Delta E equal to delta mc square in joule in kilogram mass. Difference in energy. The difference in mass between the nucleus and its complete nucleus. Nuclear binding energy. The energy required to split a nucleus into its component. Nuclear effect of temperature and pressure on matter. Temperature causes a change in state of matter as the kinetic energy of molecules of a solid reaches an absorption of heat and they begin to vibrate with a larger number of amplitude as high energy or heat is slowly diffused across the material. The molecules of the solid frame from intermediate intermolecular earthing. Gradually, there is a phase change from solid to liquid. The temperature at which a solid changes to liquid state at 1 atm is called its melting point. Heat is applied further, the kinetic energy of the composite particles of the liquid increases and the molecules start to vibrate more energetically. With an increase in temperature, the liquid starts to boil. Temperature at which liquid boils at one pressure is called boiling point. Fusion mass diffusion. Electromagnetic paramagnetic electron spin resonance and resonance electron is negatively charged particle with certain mass. It many has two kinds of movement. The first one is spinning around the nucleus, which brings the spin magnetic quantum number with magnetic component m is equal to plus half by 1 by 2 or m is equal to minus half by 2. Magnetic moment of the molecule is primarily contributed by unpaired electron spin magnetic moment, where m is equal to total spin as angular moment. S is the spin quantum number. H is the Planck constant. M is equal to S root S plus 1 into H upon 2 pi, where M is the total spin angular moment. S is the spin quantum number and H is the Planck constant. In the direction of a component of a total spin angular moment, can only assume two possible values, 1 by 2 and minus half 1 by 2. Electron paramagnetic resonance or electron spin resonance is a method for studying materials with unpaired electron radicals, radical array cations, and triplets. The EPR deals with the study of electron spins that are excited using microwave radiation in the presence of a external field with strength of BO. The electromagnetic movement aligns itself either anti-parallel or parallel to the field. Each alignment has a specific energy. An electron is a negatively charged particle with certain mass. It mainly has two kinds of movement. The first one is spinning around the nucleus, which brings orbital magnetic moment. The other is spinning around its own axis using spin magnetic moment. Every electron has a magnetic moment and a spin quantum magnetic moment. M is equal to 1 by 2 m or m is equal to n1 minus 1 by 2 m 2 s plus 1 h upon 2 pi root. Magnetic moment of the molecule is primarily contributed by the and electron spin magnetic moment, where ms is the total spin angular momentum z and the component of the total spin angular momentum. Can only assume two possible values, electron paramagnetic resonance or electron spin resonance. Spectroscopy is a Method for studying material with unpaired electrons in the presence of an external magnetic field with strength V naught. The electron magnetic moment align itself either anti-parallel or parallel to the field equal to msge mu b V naught, where G is the electron called G factor 2.00323 into all free electron. Mu b is pure magnetar. The separation between the lower and upper states is delta E equal to dV. If mu b V naught for unpaired electron, the equation implies that the splitting of energy level is directly proportional to the magnetic field strength. An unpaired electron can change its electron spin by either absorbing or emitting a photon of energy. H nu such that the resonance condition may reach delta E. This leads to the fundamental equation of the greater majority of EPR measurements are made with microwaves in the 9000 to 10,000 mH altitude, 9 to 10 nanometer with field corresponding to about 0.35 T. EPR spectra can be generated by either varying the microwave frequency incident on a sample using holding magnetic field constant or doing the reverse. In practice, it is usually the frequency that is kept in other words. The paramagnetic center, such as periodical, is exposed to microwaves at a frequency. Sharp peaks are obtained by increasing the standard magnetic field. The gap between the ms equal to 1 plus half and ms minus half energy state is widened until it matches the energy of the microwaves. At this point, the unpaired electron can move between their two spin states. Since there are typically one or more electrons in lower state due to the maximum Boltzmann distribution, there is a net absorption charge energy, and it is this absorption that is monitored and converted into a spectrum. The EPR spectrum is usually represented either as an absorption spectrum or as the first derivative of the absorption spectrum. For the microwave frequency of 9388.2 MHz, the predicted resonance occurs at a magnetic field of about G naught H naught W. The hyperfine coupling constant of nucleus is W G naught is that is related to Pascal triangle splitting due to the equivalent nuclei in solid liquid and diffusion in solid liquid and gas. The movement of different particles among each other so that they become uniformly diffusion is based on the movement of particle. The rate of diffusion increasing and increasing the temperature diffusion is very fast, faster in hot. Example given is smell of bone diffusion. Incense stick perfume smell is diffusion liquid over the gases. For crystal, so for crystal plus water diffusion solid is very slow step because particles are fixed. धन्यवाद दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा। आज यहीं तक, धन्यवाद दोस्तों।